Listen, I know what it's like. UV just sweated over that perfect landing page in Elementor Pro fonts on point, buttons popping, sections flowing like a Netflix binge, and now a new client wants basically the same vibe on a totally different WordPress install. Cue the eye roll, right? Export JSON, download, upload, cross your fingers that nothing breaks. Been there, done that, bought the hoodie. But hey, Elementor finally gave us a smarter way. Elementor Cloud Templates. Think of it as your design wardrobe living in the cloud, always pressed and ready to wear. No suitcase stuffing, no where did I put that file. Panic. Imagine I am leaning across the table, whispering, friend, this is about to change your workflow forever. Ready? Let us dive in. What are Elementor Cloud Templates? Okay, so picture Dropbox met Spotify and had a baby for web designers. That's basically Elementor Cloud Templates. Instead of stashing your layouts on your laptop or praying you still have that ancient hard drive, you hit save to cloud and boom, your template lives on Elementor's servers, tied to your account. Next time you spin up a new WordPress site, you open the library, and there's your shiny design waiting like a loyal dog wagging its tail. No cables, no USB sticks, no regrets. You're free to roam from laptop to desktop to cafe Wi-Fi without lugging digital baggage. And get this, it's not just pages. We read talking sections, pop-ups, headers, footers, the whole enchilada. If Elementor Pro lets you template it, Elementor Cloud lets you park it in the sky. Kind of like Marie Kondo for your design life. Spark joy, click save, move on. How to save an Elementor Pro template to the cloud. Let us break it down step by baby step. I'll even toss in some Captain Obvious reminders because we all scramble the basics when the caffeine wears off. 1. Design like nobody else watching. Fire up Elementor, drag those utjets, tweak those margins, go wild. Pretend it's a Sunday DIY project and there are no rules. 2. Click the little up arrow next to update. That's the save options button. Yeah, the one you've probably ignored 100 times. 3. Choose save as template. Give it a name you'll actually remember in 6 months. Home v3, final. Final is not a personality trait. Let us do better. 4. Spot the cloud icon. Elementor asks where to stash it. Hit save to cloud. Pat yourself on the back. The template is now floating safely above the chaos of your downloads folder. 5. Organize immediately. Before you sprint off, tag it. Think Client Ecom, Blog Hero, or whatever keeps future you from yelling at past you. 5 clicks tops. Faster than ordering tacos on DoorDash. Real life example. I run a tiny side hustle building microsites for indie bands. I saved my go-to-tour date section complete with snazzy gig cards and Spotify embeds to the cloud. Now every new client gets a slick calendar in like 20 seconds flat. They think I am a wizard. I just shrug and say, trade secret. How to import an Elementor Cloud template to a new website. Alright, you've got designs chilling in the cloud. Time to pull one down like leftovers from the freezer. 1. Log in to the new WordPress site. Activate Elementor Pro. No pro, no party. 2. Create or edit any page and launch Elementor. Doesn't matter which. We just need the canvas. 3. Smack that folder icon in the canvas. The library pops up like a jukebox. 4. Click My Templates. Top tabs, easy to miss when your cat jumps on the keyboard. 5. Switch to cloud. Now you're looking at your personal design skybox. Scroll or search by the name you wisely chose earlier. 6. Hit insert. Elementor imports everything, images, global colors, the works. If something looks funky, it's probably your theme kicking up dust. No worries. Tweak padding or fonts, save, done. Quick tip. I always duplicate the imported template first, just in case I mess it up with frantic edits. That way the pristine cloud version stays untouched, like grandma's good china. Advantages of using Elementor Cloud templates. Let us rapid fire the perks because you've got deadlines. Time is money, honey. Rebuilding a footer for the 10th time. Hard pass. Cloud templates let you recycle brilliance instead of reinventing wheels. Brand consistency on autopilot. Got a signature color palette and button style. Save once, deploy everywhere. Work from anywhere. Beach Wi-Fi. Coffee shop. Your mother-in-law's basement. If you can hit Elementor's servers, you can work. Zero risk backups. Lose your laptop, spill coffee on the SSD, your templates are still safe and sound. Collaboration made easy. Team member on the other side of town. Share the account and they see the same library. Future-proofing. Elementor updates. WordPress core surprises. Your designs live independently in the cloud, ready to be dropped into fresh installs. It's like discovering autopay for bills you wonder how you survived the old way. Troubleshooting common Elementor cloud template issues. Even Paradise gets the occasional rain cloud. Let us tackle the oops moments. Template 1T show up 0.9 times out of 10. You re-logged into the wrong Elementor account. Double-check the email in your WordPress dashboard Elementor account. Import freezes at 0%. Usually a flaky Wi-Fi or a server timeout. Refresh, try again. Clear your cache. Styling looks off after import. Could be your theme overriding Elementor CSS. Try enabling optimize CSS loading in Elementor settings. Images missing. Maybe it's a staging site with weird domain paths. Hit regenerate files and data in Elementor settings. Can save to cloud. Make sure your pro license is active. No license, no cloud. Simple. Take a breath, walk the dog, then come back. Most issues aren't the end of the world. Tips and tricks to optimize your use of Elementor cloud templates. Ready to level up. Here's my secret sauce. 1. Folderify like a pro. Create folders in your cloud library to keep your templates organized. 2. Tag everything. Use labels like blog post, hero section, etc. Make searching a breeze. 3. Build atomic blocks. Save sections individually: hero, testimonials, pricing, etc. Mix and match like Legos. 4. Create style kits. Use global colors and fonts. Import them first to keep design consistent. 5. Document your process. Keep a Google Doc with screenshots and notes about each template. 6. Version control manually. Duplicate and rename templates before making big changes. 7. Use other tools. Pair with ACF, WooCommerce, and other plugins to boost site power. Stay updated. Elementor rolls out changes fast. Update regularly and review templates. Do even half of this and you'll feel like you've unlocked cheat codes. So there we are. We started with the headache of shuffling JSON files and ended with a breezy, cloud-powered workflow. Elementor cloud templates aren't just a cute add-on. They're a game changer if you juggle multiple WordPress gigs. You save hours, keep branding tight, and dodge the "where is that file" chaos that used to chew up your afternoons. Next time you craft a gorgeous hero header or that killer pricing section, just hit save to cloud. Future you and every future client will thank present you with a latte. Now go forth, log in, and start stockpiling your best work in the digital skybox. Then circle back and brag about how you launched a new site in under an hour. I'll be here, coffee in hand, ready to gossip about the next shiny Elementor update. Cheers to faster builds, happier clients, and a more chilled out you.